dipping low and leaves a stain. Peaceful end to another day. Whispering winds through the tall pine. Birds singing songs pure and fine. Mountains blush and evenings glow. Nature's beauty putting on a show. Horses gray